Ready for Froggy Friday? This is going to be demolded and shown on YouTube on Friday. That's no insert, that is just alcohol ink. That is crazy. That looks like a frog's innards or some sort of innards. That is madness. Look at that. That's just alcohol ink. Oh, there's a bubble. Is it a bubble? Look at that, it's proper veiny. Oh, wow. That is crazy. I just can't get over that. That looks like proper insides. But it's not. White alcohol ink and bright red with a mixture of metallic pigment paste. Oh, that is insane. I can't get over that. Oh, and clear, obviously, clear resin on top. We were trying to go for a Larimar effect, but that, I just can't get over it. I can assure you there are no inserts in this frog. A few bubbles maybe, but I'll get rid of them in a minute. Oh, I can't get over it. But here's the Larimar that will be demolded tomorrow and on YouTube. Look at that. Shame about the glitter though, but I'm going to do it again. Same colours without the glitter. That's just insane. And a tray I made today. That I made yesterday. And those. But this, oh my god. At CC UK, are you ready for this on Friday? That's insane. I can't get over it. But yeah, Froggy Friday, YouTube Friday. So watch this space.